2019 Chevrolet Malibu's overhauled styling is moved down by another transmission for generally models. The 2019 Chevrolet Malibu has a refreshed look outside, however it's what's underneath that matters. For 2019, most forms of the Malibu pick up another ceaselessly factor transmission (CVT), and all variations include a refreshed infotainment framework. The 2019 Malibu will go at a bargain in the not-so-distant future in L, LS, RS, LT, and Premier trim levels. A fuel-tasting Malibu Hybrid returns also. Outside, the Malibu's front guard, headlights, grille, raised guard, and wheels have been overhauled. The look doesn't check a noteworthy takeoff from a year ago's Malibu, yet generally speaking the fair-sized vehicle profits by a cleaner, crisper look. LT and Premier trim levels highlight standard LED running lights, while the range-topping Malibu Premier incorporates full LED headlights. Inside, the Malibu's styling is unaltered at first look, yet a recently standard 8.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment highlights reconsidered programming with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A rear-view camera is recently standard on all forms of the Malibu, as well. Most Malibus leave the industrial facility with a 1.5-liter turbo 4 evaluated at 163 pull and 184 pound-feet of torque. A year ago, the motor was matched to a traditional programmed, now casted off for the CVT. We've not yet determined the 2019 Malibu, and along these lines can't remark on the new transmission already. Be that as it may, we've discovered the Turbo 4 motor to give sufficient speeding up that is about standard for the fair-size vehicle. Section. We'll refresh this space when we've had a chance to test the 2019 Malibu. The Malibu Premier holds its 2.0-liter Turbo 4, which is appraised at 255 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. With its 9-speed programmed transmission, the Malibu Premier quickens rapidly. Be that as it may, a suspension tuned more toward comfort than energetic driving appears inconsistent with its fiery powertrain. Chevy hasn't discharged mileage gauges for the 2019 Malibu with either non-mixture motor, yet the CVT is probably going to enhance the 30 mpg joint rating for the 2018 model.